Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making Gina's fantastic banana bread, and for that you need, of course, pocha bananas. What are pocha bananas, you ask me? Well, they are soft, gross, nobody wants to touch bananas, and this is what they are good for. I fight the fruit man to buy my pocha bananas, so please appreciate the pocha bananas. There they go. We also need brown sugar, we also need white sugar, we need an egg, and we need some baking soda, some melted butter, some cinnamon powder, some vanilla, and some all-purpose flour. Of course, we're going to be using a bundt because I am the queen of the bundt, measuring spoons, and a mixing bowl, and a cloth if you need it because things can get gross and messy, and a whisk. Okay? Kind of lost my train of thought, but there you go. This is what we're going to need for our banana bread. Now, if you don't eat eggs, that's fine. All you do is increase the banana, and I will give you that recipe in the description. All right, so let's get started. Okay guys, in a clean mixing bowl, you are going to add in your egg, both your sugars, give it a whisk. Add in your melted butter. Give it a whisk. It's not rocket science, I assure you. Add in your bananas, the pocha bananas. They override pocha gross bananas that nobody wants to touch. Okay, if you're going to add in your egg, if you baked with me, you know, you immediately add your vanilla. Today I'm using Urban Platter. I love their vanilla, and so there we go. You're going to add in your banana. Your vanilla. Oh, my head this morning. You're also going to be adding in some cinnamon powder. The finer, the better. My kids like cinnamon, so I'm gonna go crazy and add just enough. Give it a whisk. Set this to the side. Pull in your flour. Add in your soda. Take a fork, just a regular fork, or if you have a baby whisk, go ahead, mix that in. Now you can add walnuts to this. My kids don't like nuts, so I ain't gonna do it. Add in a little bit of the flour, a little bit at a time. Give it a whisk. Give it a mix. Add some more flour. And you want to do this to make sure that you incorporate everything. If you add the flour in one go, sometimes it can turn lumpy and gross, and that's not what we want. Okay, we've added all our flour, the dry mix. Give it a whisk. And there's your batter. Let's pour it into our tin and give it a bake. In a well-greased pan, okay, so you gotta grease it nicely. If you don't grease it nicely, she just won't come out. All right, so you're gonna pour in your batter, like so. It is a thick batter, and therefore will also take a little bit of time, a longer time to bake. Okay, so let me get all this goodness out. I'm sorry, I'm gonna cross the frame. Okay. And now she's going to go into the oven for around 40 minutes at 180. And then we will take pictures and then you will see how yummy this is. See you soon.